I'm going to be showing you how to become a pro at ground. And make sure you stick around till the end, because at the end, I'll be giving you the best tip ever. On to our first step. The first thing that I'll be going over is what people are usually doing wrong, and that is running. Most people run like this when they start. Just, casually running like this. Or maybe they'll go like this, which is okay, but only if you're starting off. Here is another problem. Here's another running technique that people often do that is very, very wrong. Which is just that, flailing your arms in a circle. It may seem effective when you start off, but really, it's very, very bad. Now we're moving on what you're supposed to do. If you're a beginner, one of the first things that you want to do is you kind of want to do like a circular motion, kind of like this. And then just do it to the side. Here's an example of what that looks like. You just go in a circle like that, 2 circles. You just go around like that. That's good for like beginners who are first starting off. One thing that I see people do wrong a lot of the time is that they're pushing off high like this. So they'll run but bounce up. Instead, what you want to do is you want to keep it low to the ground. And by that, I mean you kind of want to grab your hand and slide it across like that. Because instead of going like this, the problem with that is that it gives you a lot of air time. And the problem with that is that when you're airborne, there's only a certain amount of speed that you can go while you're in midair. And when you're on your hands, you can go as fast as you want. And so you want to stay as low to the ground as you can, so you can stay on your hands as much as possible. When you get better at the game, one thing that you want to do, instead of just doing that circular motion like this, one thing that you want to do is put your arm all the way out in the front and do that circular motion with your dominant hand. But instead of going like this with your other hand, like how I said before, instead you want to kind of push off like this and glide across. Here's what it looks like. You push off with this hand, and while your hand is getting ready to put back, you want to go like this with this hand, so you're always staying on the ground and you maximize speed. So when you're going, you want to stretch out your arms as much as you can. You want to pull across, the push, pull, push, and then just make a rhythm with it. And depending on how long your arms are, the faster you can go, but it just depends on how much your hands are on the ground. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like to compare the good runs to the bad runs. Now we will be doing a test of speed on which one is actually faster, the bad one or the good one. Here we go. First, I'll be starting off with my slow run. We're starting here, and we'll be going over to those double walls. First, my slow run. 3, 2, 1, go. And the time was, well, whatever that says. Now, I'll be going the same place, but using my fast run. 3, 2, 1, go. And if you thought that that was the end of the video, you're wrong. I do have one more secret. The secret to making you become far better at running is to subscribe. Yeah, I'm just joking, but you should subscribe and like the video. But the real secret is to use the fast run that I was talking about. See ya.